Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's Amazon haul video is dedicated to some high rated products on Amazon, mostly beauty products. Yes, hair care, skin care मेरे सामने पड़े हैं and I'm going to test or use them, and also will try to do initial review if not the actual review because ठीक है मैं बहुत टाइम से इनको यूज नहीं कर रही हूँ. Firstly, let's talk about this lip gloss. Okay, so lip glosses are quite in from a long time now, and I wanted to try some indie brands. This is Rene Shine On Lip Lacquer in Pink Beam. I have not even opened this. So it comes in a very sleek packaging with outer carton and looks really expensive, though it is very affordable. Okay, it has a brush tip which is really interesting. It has a click on thing, so yeah, that was a close up. I think this is one of those non-sticky glosses which you can really wear on its own or layer on top of other lipsticks. Since most of my lip collection is similar to the tone of this gloss, I can actually add on and make them like little juicy and you know glossy. Okay, next product is something that I've been using from a long time. It's an eye care product. It's from Mom's Co. You must have seen I have worked with this brand in my Instagram. You can see a reel. So I will just add how the application process goes. I won't be applying since I have some kind of makeup underneath and some sunscreen. It's gonna be removing all that. But yes, I have seen good results. I apply it once a day right now. मैं 2 time नहीं use करती because I'm using Pixie collagen वाला eye cream at night. Eye gel. This helps in depuffing the under eyes. That's why I really like it. The best thing I like about this is that it helps in depuffing the under eyes, which is my major concern. And application wise, it's ठीक है. Like थोड़ा anti hygiene wise, थोड़ा सा I feel like it needs to be cleansed now and then, but otherwise it's really good product. Effective hai, that's why I really like it, and it has really good reviews on Amazon. Next one is another eye gel patch packaging with the spoolie, so you can just take it off without using your fingers. So it just looks gel like finish it has, but it has a lot of serum, so you don't have to drip it. इसको ज़्यादा देर के लिए tilt नहीं कर सकते. It's effective for puffiness, cooling effect देता है, but you need to take it off before using makeup, otherwise वो peeling texture दिखता है. Next product is a hair growth product. It's from Touch, and I have never used something like this from Amazon. I just wanted to try this. इसके reviews okay हैं, but ठीक है, I wanted to try something that's new also. So it has a lot of good ingredients which increases hair growth and reduces hair fall. So I just applied on my scalp, so you can see थोड़ा सा difference है पिछली clip से. With a bottle like this, just pull it up and directly apply it on the scalp, which is an easy process instead of droppers. So yes, this is it. I will be reviewing it after a while because at least मेरे को यूज़ करने के लिए हेयर वॉश डे चाहिए होगा, because I can't really keep it on my hair for long. People have been using this eye roll on thing जिसमें आइस चलती है and you can just use it. It's refillable. I don't know how effective it is, but ठीक है, I just wanted to get it. It looked cool. And silicone है तो easily cleanse भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, there is a lot of loss of product because every time you can't just keep the same ice. You have to take it off. चल ठीक है, but I will try it, and yeah, it is a good product. इसके साथ मैं I can't use it today because अभी इसमें ice नहीं जमाई है मैंने. I will add it किसी दिन रात को बैठ के. I will just add a clip right here so you can see how it is. Next one is the most I don't know, I've seen a lot of ads of this one. It's a green tea solid control mask. जैसे वो ad नहीं आती है, सारा आपका गंक निकल आता है बाहर इसको लगाते ही. And it's a stick form. Oh, okay, so now it is completely dried, but there is no like gunk coming out as such. But yeah, I feel like it's like a clay mask. I usually use the Aztec clay mask, but only green. So that thing that it brings out the gunk and all, it's just a gimmick. Anyways, we're just gonna quickly remove it. So yes, this is how my skin looks after I took it off. Yeah, I believe it is not for dry skin. बहुत ज़्यादा dry कर देगी skin because it is eventually a clay mask texture which will suck out any kind of oil secretion on your pores and your skin. So ठीक है, acne prone skin के लिए शायद अच्छा है ये. We have 2-3 more products. This first one is the Rimmel. This is the Rimmel London Pencil. It's a nude kohl. This is one of my favorite kohl, and when I saw it on Amazon, I just wanted to show it to you. Yes, the price wise Amazon थोड़ा सा expensive है, but it is a really good product. This is Kama Ayurveda Delicate Facial Cleanser, my earliest favorite. I have this in travel size as well as full size, which is this one. And I personally love it because it's so gentle on the skin. This actually is delicate, and not only that, it is very effective in removing makeup gently, along with that, subtle sheer glow on your face. And I think it's good for all skin types. इसमें saffron and neem है. The saffron fragrance is so addicting. I just love it. The texture is also very calming, and it is like light foam texture, which really is good for all seasons. On me personally, I just love it in all the seasons. So this was all about the haul, showing you the most reviewed or good reviewed products on Amazon. And I hope you liked it and you could find some good picks for your next purchase. Yes, that's all. I will see you in the next video. Bye.